Well, hello everybody. This is Tim with Shine Your Light Detailing. Just a real quick video for you here. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this short video. This has been quite a transformation. We use Extreme Solutions Knockout and Finale and 403 foam pad polish and topped it with Magnum wax. Stuff's fantastic from Extreme Solutions. So anyway, just a quick video here. Hope you enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Thanks for watching.